Overland Park has seen a violent day. It begins this morning with one woman shot in the upscale community. A second person was found dead this afternoon connected to the shooting.
Chris Hernandez is live in Overland Park to help sort out what happened. Chris.
Yeah, Mark, this appears to be a murder-suicide, but Overland Park police won't confirm all the details. We can tell you that there are 2 crime scenes and 2 people are dead, and it all started right here. Late this afternoon, police found the red pickup truck and the person of interest they'd been looking for. The man was dead inside the truck. It was in a field at 141st and Lamar, a few blocks north of the first crime scene.
All that they know is that it was a person of interest related to that incident at this time. As far as who's responsible or why that shooting took place, we still do not have that answer to release yet.
Police were called to 145th and Woodson around 10:15 this morning. A woman had been shot while sitting inside her car. The car had a shattered side window and several bullet holes in the windshield. A neighbor says he heard about 5 gunshots.
It sounded like gunshots, but I didn't really think about it because there's roofers in the area, and I thought those were roofing nails, and really didn't think anything about it until I heard sirens.
The woman died a short time later. She had reportedly been shot in the neck. This all happened in an upscale Lionsgate neighborhood where murder investigations are an unknown sight. Now, police warned 4 nearby schools in the Blue Valley School District, which kept some kids inside part of the day simply as a precaution. But throughout the day, police never issued a suspect description to the general public, even though they apparently knew who they were looking for, the vehicle he was driving, and that he had a gun. But they never issued that to the public, and they didn't find him until more than 4 hours after the woman was shot here. Reporting live in South Overland Park, Chris Hernandez, NBC Action News.